So, are each of those peanut shapes a queen cell?
Mm-hmm.
So it's like 4 or 5. Wow. And those were just things that had something in them. You see, I'm recording now, but she's moving. Yeah, if you wanna, I mean, here we go. I mean, I kind of squished her. I don't know how much of her. Wait, here she goes. Here she goes.
Come look.
I'll kill her before she has a chance to fly, but.
Well, she wouldn't be able to fly immediately, right? Because her wings would be wet. Something like that.
Do you want a video? And I'll
I'm
put
videoing.
on. Do you want me to put on the flight of the bumblebee?
Will that work?
You sure?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
You can try if you want to come out on the other side.
What is she gonna try and do?
No, I don't know that she won't try to fly immediately.
Get that close.
Nope. Just probably. Okay. I don't know if the camera can tell through the. There she is. She's squished, but there's a queen. Hello. Yep. Pretty cool.
Cool.
And there's one that I killed earlier. And that's a dead worker. And there are a couple of queen cells in there. Hey, queenie. That I removed. So I did that because I walked out and it looked like my hive wanted to swarm again, and they've already swarmed 3 times, so that wouldn't have been a good thing. So I removed, went through and found as many as I could that still had something in them. This one has a dying larva in it. So we have a dead queen over here, a larva, and a queen. So, pretty cool.
What is the queen doing?
So.